Hey everybody, I wanted to make a video. Today we're working on our family's Honda Pilot 2003, and the issue we were having with it was it had the VTM light and check engine light come on at exactly the same time. And we read the codes, and it was a code for EGR insufficient flow, and that was the only code. So we were thinking it was an EGR valve that sits back over here under the cover, but it turned out it wasn't. And what we found it to be was I believe this is a 3.6 V6. Anyway, it's the same engine that's in the Odyssey, Pilot, a few other Hondas as well. And under this cover, you have the throttle, or the intake. Anyway, so on the top of the metal cover on the intake, there will be a little metal cover, and you take that off, and in there it gets clogged up. There's passages, and it gets clogged up with carbon. And actually, I read up in the owner's manual, and it says to clean it out roughly every 40,000 miles. Well, this car here is 136,000, and it's never been done. So it was completely clogged up. So we just took off the whole intake, and also there is an EGR passage on the bottom of the intake that you can't get to unless you take it off. That also gets clogged up with carbon, but it was the worst we've ever seen. It's never been done on this car, and it fixed it. I mean, it was a mess to clean out though, but that's what fixed the VTM and the check engine light for EGR code. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Again, this is 03 Pilot. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.